No, I've never tried it. I've had Turkish slices, if that counts. Does that count?
No, of course it does.
That's the only thing I've had.
I took into your table. You need to snip it some. But you know, Beryl really should have put butter on because then it holds.
The butter is on the bottom of the thing deliberately, Baba.
That's the only thing.
No, if you put a lot of
What's
butter,
that?
it shouldn't be.
Garlic powder.
Put plenty of that.
Hmm?
Put plenty of garlic.
I use garlic. You know, use this thing to spread it everywhere.
This is only the bottom side. I want to flip it over and then I want to properly do the
Yeah,
other
put
side.
up a snake way then. Bobby, come. Let's leave them to it now, and not too much of that.
Keep it there. That he
No, I've just told him the mistakes. No,
I know what I'm doing. I've done this enough times.
Yes, Sam.
trade parking accept putne.
Huh? Now, this is the bottom side, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because this is going to get stuck at the bottom.
I can smell the garlic. That's a strong garlic.
You won't smell any of it later on.
What's that?
This is a bit of thyme. Try and shove these little bits in.
Where did you learn this recipe from?
It's trial and error. The stick don't want to go in. I'll get it in under here.
What have you got now?
1 stick of rosemary.
So you just leave it on top?
Well, you want to try and stick it in, try and get the flavour to engross in. So I'm going to put it under there and then try and stick it under this so that the flavour penetrates. This is the bottom side though, don't forget. Most of the stuff's going to go on top. So let's turn this upside down and then we can start. There we go. I had to take my ring off. It's getting serious. So I've set my alarms at all these different intervals so I can baste the bird. Oh,
Wow.
3.5 hours. So it's going to be a long one. Right, this is basting round one. I melted half a block of butter. He's got to get the butter all over the bird. Make sure you keep it moist. If you don't keep it moist, it will taste dry as anything. Yeah. Have to do this every half hour. Quick. Oh, smelling gorgeous. Lay that out flat. Have you set it to 220 though? It was only set to... Bricklayers would make good stuffing. They're good at leveling out, aren't they? And do it without temperature.
Are we cheating?
God, I don't know how to make a weave.
Huh?
I'm going to follow the How's his brother do this? My weave's falling apart. Second one I shall put down a bit nicer. Good idea, wife. Credit to you. And I kept a tiny bit of this to baste all of this. You know, get a bit of butter on that as well. Don't let that miss out. Absolute deliciousness.
You sure?
What she said.
I reckon it should be headed home.
But what you can do is put the
Should I back home? Sit down and enjoy your Scooby snacks.
Right, just see that what's going on in the news, please. Sorry.
Okay, bye!